Welcome back, everybody. It's Ron, and I got another video for you. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do that housekeeping. First of all, again, only about 6% of the people that are watching the videos are actually subscribing. It really helps the algorithms to help the channel grow. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button to get all the updates and all the videos that I put out. And again, this is a disclaimer. Persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. Okay, guys, this happened on 3/12 of 2024 in Florida when the FWC was coming back from a patrol and was walking down the ramp. And there was a guy that was delivering some donuts to the FWC. And I'm going to tell you what, this was a $165 donut. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
Call it out, it's a 1050, right? Vehicle. It's going to be Evo ramp number 2, 23 for 28. It's going to be a white and black Charger and a white Challenger. Back 6528. What's going on, guys? Bravo Yankee 2-1 uniform. Papa shifting back to a black and white Charger. So far. What's up, fellas? Can I see your driver's license registration? Bravo Yankee 2-1 uniform. Papa. You got any weapons in the car, my man? You know what? You got any weapons in the car? Alright. Okay. Can I see your driver's license? You don't have it with you? You got your car's registration? I'll take that. Go ahead. Sorry, can you step out of the vehicle for me? Just stand right there for me if you can. Appreciate it. Can you run the RO? What's going on, my man? Can I see your driver's license and registration? Right here. You have any weapons in the car? No, no weapons. Okay, yeah. I'll take that. Whiskey Alpha Bravo 202. Again, Whiskey Alpha Bravo 202. South Carolina 28. Got it on you? Yeah, I'll take that. Appreciate it. You heard what she said, right? This one? This one.
You know anything about your tag or your license? Huh? You know anything about your tag or your license? I know the tag.
Did you pay that? Do you remember? Okay. Alright, cool. I'll stay here. Good. Airport 65, South Carolina 27. 106-157-667. 1048. Hey, brother. Do you have the app for Geico? You know, like, okay. I got you. Yeah. Okay. Do you know if they have a current one? Because that one expired in 23. 9/11 of 23. Right. But you need to have the current one with you. That's what I'm asking. If you can pull it up, you know.
Because I got stopped at Miami Beach.
I got you.
And then he said, okay, this is good. He checked everything.
How long ago was that?
This literally yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
He said I have an out of stock.
Yeah.
When he checked everything, he said it reoccurred.
Yeah, the reason why we stopped you guys today is because you guys were doing donuts and stuff in here. That's. No, you can't do that. This is all public property, right? Doing that, right, it's technically you're damaging public property. So that's criminal mischief. That's a misdemeanor violation.
Not here, really?
Yes, anywhere really, but in Florida at least. I don't know in South Carolina how they do things, but in Florida, that's criminal mischief.
Yeah, that's why we don't do it on the street or anything like that. That's why we always stop like that.
Right, but it's still, I mean, you can see all the marks you guys left on the floor, right? You can see that, right? Right.
I'm not gonna sit there and say.
Of course, no, I understand that. I'm assuming a bunch of people come out here to do the same, but we saw you guys. That's the reason why we stopped you. And then I don't know if you guys saw us, but when we were pulling the boat out of the water, you guys were doing that, and then you guys would scramble away as soon as you saw us.
No, but we came back.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I know, because that after we left.
I didn't.
Okay.
Because if anything, I would just ran if I was, about
No,
hiding something.
I understand, of course. And I appreciate you not doing stuff. So. He's pulling the truck out with the trailer. I'm going to run this in my computer if you just want to stay here. No, I don't.
Is it okay if I step out, talk to him?
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Do me a favor, if you're going to step out of the vehicle, don't come back in. Stay out of the vehicle. Okay?
Go
ahead. What's that? No, that's just for my safety and yours.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'll just
All right, Jalen. Do me a favor, brother, if you want to come with me, that way I can explain everything to you. All the paperwork and everything, how it works. That way you know. You can come over here. Come to the truck. It'll just make it easier. Because I gotta hand you all your copies of everything. That way you got everything. All right, brother. So here's your registration back and keeping your license because it's suspended. So you can just go to the DMD, see what they want, and then you get it taken care of. Okay. I'm gonna give you a copy of everything. So basically, I'm gonna give you a citation. This is a misdemeanor, so you are required to go to court. Okay. Now, as far as the court appearance, the court is really backed up, so there's no set date. So you should receive something within the next week or two by mail. Yeah. If you get nothing within the next couple of weeks, I would call them to try to set up your court date. That way, Broward. It'll be Broward. Okay. So I'm going to give you a citation for that. I'm going to give you a citation for driving with a suspended license. It's a $165 citation for that. And then I'm going to put you a break for everything else, okay? I'm going to give you a warning for...
Quick question.
Yes, sir.
Even if I do get my license fee from the time after, pay the citation or
That'll just be up to the court at that point, yeah. If you can prove to them and then they say you're good to go, then that's up to them, okay? So here's your copy. I also printed out the warnings. So the warnings is on here. The tow truck receipt, it's on here. The copy of this citation, it's on here. And then the copy of your driving suspended license also on here.
Would need to, like, when I want to get my car, or leave it in my car?
No, you can just go there. Okay.
Take that. The tow receipt you're saying, take that with you. So you show it to them. Correct.
Yeah, it's on there. Okay.
They're gonna have that same copy. So when you show them that, they're gonna know exactly what you're talking about. So this is the tow.
Yeah. Everything's on there. Everything that we just talked about, it's on there. Okay. All right. So I just need your signature right here. Sign it's not admission of guilt. Just saying you understand your rights. Okay. So sign it right there. And that's it. You guys can get out of here if you want. We'll wait here for the tow truck. That's him. He's making a U-turn. Awesome. Yeah.
Mute off.
You really can't. No.
Y'all some real stand-up gentlemen, though. It could have worked.
Hey, man.
We just got a little too ahead of ourselves. That's all based on how you act.
Yep, absolutely. You guys are nice, man. We're nice.
Y'all stand up.
That's how it is.
When I see him, I got a little nervous. I'm like, oh, I'm scared. He's the one that's scared.
Yeah, because I got pulled over. I got pulled over yesterday at Miami Beach.
Because you know when you're in traffic, it's like traffic. It's traffic on the strip.
Yeah.
So I'm like doing like 3 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour. The guy, he taps on my car. He's like, pull over. I'm like, what did I do? He's like, pull over. Like he went like this, like pull over. I'm like, okay. So I pulled over. I'm like, man, so I'm getting pulled over. He said, because your car is loud. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay, I already have my license registration ID on the dash. I have my friend with me, like this on the board. It's like the way how he just went about it was, that you never know what's gonna happen.
They're different down there in Miami, though.
Yeah. Like
It's a different breed.
He tapped it. He went like this on the trunk. He said, he went like that. I'm like, yeah. So that's why when you came, I'm like, oh shit. Round 2.
Like, here we go. The other side now.
We chilling though. Y'all stand up chilling.
Appreciate that, guys.
I know y'all was nervous though. You guys thought we was. It was not. I didn't even see you guys. How did y'all really walk away from over here?
I thought you were gonna run again.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You left the first time, so I blocked the entrance off.
We already knew you could
People who got stuff to hide, dude.
Yeah. Our cars are literally off.
I actually did turn my car on though. You probably thought I was. I thought you were gonna leave. Yeah. When you cranked it up. Nah, because my foot was already on the brake. I went to go turn my sunroof down. Because my sunroof was on. I wanted to put it back down.
You got you.
And it turned on. It turned the whole down. Like, oh shit! So I hurried up and turned it off.
We don't do that. Everything was good.
All right, my man. Here's your copy.
Signature, no?
The tow receipt. I know, I'm good. It's got my signature. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, that's your copy. That's for you. Yeah, I got my copy. You're good. Appreciate you, brother.
Did he sign yours?
He's got to sign mine, right?
Yeah.